right, folks, welcome to the channel, Rockin' the Country. I'm Don. I've got my New Jersey hat on purpose, as I do on occasion, but I'm here in New Jersey and we're getting slammed with the title of this song. In 2 days, it's supposed to start. Lots of the country is getting slammed. I was texting with my nephew an hour ago or so. He's down in Austin, Texas. They're going to get hit with stuff. The Emsweithers down in San Antonio nearby are getting hit with it. And Kentucky, Tennessee. Part of me thinks I should move to Chicago for the weather. But anyway, this is a gift request of Eliyahs Romans. So Eliyahs, thank you for this gift and your sense of humor. I had done this song 5 or 6 years ago. Carolina's Beauty had requested it back then. So Phyllis, I hope you're doing well, my dear. But nonetheless, the statute of limitations is up. I don't mind doing songs twice, especially just to see how I feel a song now versus how I felt it way back then or what have you. So let's get into this one. I actually need to go out and get a new shovel today. We'll see if Home Depot or Walmart or wherever I have to go to get one has them. They may be all out. People up here lose their minds. They all go stocking up on food as though, and they're never going to, eat or drink water again. It's like, guys, they're going to plow the roads in a day. You could get back out there. Anyway, we're Americans. We have to have stuff now. Here comes the blizzard.
There's a blizzard coming on. How I'm wishing I was home. For my pony's lame and he can't hardly stand. Listen to that norther sigh. If we don't get home, we'll die. But it's only 7 miles to Marion.
It's a long walk.
It's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on her mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marion. It's only 5 more miles to Marianne. That wind's howling, and it seems mighty like a woman screams. And we best be moving faster if we can. And just think about that barn with that hay so soft and warm. For it's only 3 more miles to Marianne. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Dan, get up, you ornery cuss, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best that we stop a while and rest. For it's still 100 yards to Marianne. It's still 100 yards to Marianne. Late that night, the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He'd have made it, but he just couldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him there on the plains, his hands froze to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne.
The thing is today with automobiles and stuff, it happens in blizzards when people are on the road and they get stuck in some kind of squall or something like that, and they run out of gas and they freeze to death in their car. Prior to cars, back in the day with horseback and horses, I mean, you really paid attention to the weather because it was so much more impactful. And this is absolutely a song that my younger sister would 100% approve of because she likes animals more than she likes people. And she'd have felt bad for Dan. And it's interesting that we don't know the gentleman's name in this. We know the woman and we know the horse, but we don't know his name. But it's just one of those tales that you don't really see coming, that he just had a love for his horse who was lame, and he almost made it. You're like, come on, come on, come on. But he didn't make it, but they found them both there. His hands were frozen to the reins. A tragic story, just a tragedy. I mean, then 100 yards. I mean, the Marianne has to live with the knowledge that he was trying to get there, almost got there. We don't even know who Marianne was to him. Might have been his wife, might have been his girlfriend, might have been somebody. Probably wasn't somebody who was courting at that time, but it could have been, times were a bit more proper, generally, rules of engagement and social etiquette and all that stuff. But nonetheless, this is the first time you hear this song, it's like, oh, so close. Like if he was like 2 miles away, you'd be like, okay, it was just too much to overcome, but they were so close, 7 miles, and they died 100 yards from the barn. And he was trying to coax him. He's like, come on, Dan, think about that barn. Yeah, that's sad. But Jim Reeves has such a good voice. And one of the things, too, about traditional country is the talking, singing style. Johnny Cash, Willie, Merle, Hank Jr. All have it. Had it and have it where they talk the songs and occasionally carry the note, but it's really just the essence of storytelling, not story singing. And Jim Reeves had a gorgeous voice. Everybody knows this much, but really talked this story. You could see this being told to a kindergarten class, except for the fact that the horse died, and that would make the kids really sad. And that Dan died, that would make them sad too. I mean, the rider died, and that would make them sad too. So, all right, I'm going to rate this one, Eliyahs. Hopefully this doesn't portend my fate or anyone else's fate up here in New Jersey based on the storm. But it is what it is. Life has its challenges, shall we say. I'm going to rate this one. The number that popped into my head was a 9.1. I don't know what I gave it last time. It was just a sad tale, but very well told, even with the wind howling and sort of like a woman's scream, I think he said. And it's like, yeah, Marianne's rooting for them to get there. She's making biscuits in anticipation of their arrival. All right, guys. There you have it. Hope y'all are safe through this whole thing and warm and have, whatever you need. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you on another video and keep rocking the country.
Perhaps it's best that we stop a while and rest, for it's still 100 yards to Marianne.